Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x8024a105, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Troubleshoot in the right pane. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next solution is to reset Windows Update component. So we have a script. You can copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. I'll tell you what it would do. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services, thus fixing your problem for sure. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.